How to change fonts in Shopify. So first is to log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, by default, you will be directed to the home page. On the left portion of your screen, you will see these options. So under Sales Channels, select Online Store, which will open the Themes page. So select the theme that you are currently using for your website. So for this, I am using this theme called Craft. So to customize your website, just click this Customize button found on the right side, which will direct you to the editor page. So by default, you are in your home page, and to change font, what you have to do is click this Theme Settings below Sections. So by clicking Theme Settings, it will show you all of these settings. So one of which is the typography. So click the drop-down arrow button. So when you click typography, you will see headings, body. So you can change the fonts for these two sections. To do that, if you want to change the font for headings, then just click this change button and it will show you all of these options. So for system fonts, you are provided with sans serif, serif, and mono options. And when you scroll down, you will see this other fonts section, to which more options are provided. So say for example, you want to use sans serif, all you have to do is click that option and it will immediately change the font of your website. So if you're satisfied with how your font looks, then just click the select button. Now moving on to the body font, just click this change button and the same options are provided. So say for example, I want to use serif for my body font, then I'll just click the select button. And once you're done, click the save button located on the top right corner. Now your changes has been saved. And so that is how you change fonts in Shopify. Thank you and have a great day.